In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project dashboard in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Notion is an amazing tool that offers a wide range of functionalities to help you manage your projects more effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a basic project dashboard that will serve as a central hub for tracking your tasks, deadlines, and more. To begin, let's get started by opening a new page in Notion. If you're new to Notion, you can do this by clicking the plus icon next to Pages in the sidebar. This will give us a blank canvas to create our customized dashboard. Feel free to give this page a meaningful title. It could be something like Project Dashboard or the specific name of the project you're working on. Having a clear name helps in identifying it quickly, especially when you have multiple pages in Notion. Next, we'll start by adding linked views of existing databases. If you have existing databases where you keep your project tasks, notes, or anything related, linking those directly to your dashboard is incredibly efficient. Simply type /linked in the / command, and you'll see an option to create a linked database. Choose the database you need from the list. By doing this, you can view and manipulate data from other areas right within your new dashboard page. For those who might not have databases set up yet, you can easily create one by using the New Database option instead. Remember, linking to databases allows you to keep everything updated easily without having to switch back and forth between different pages. Let's add some text, headings, and widgets to give our dashboard structure and personality. Start by clicking anywhere on the page and typing /heading for adding headers like tasks, deadlines, or resources. This adds clarity and easy navigation. Under each heading, feel free to insert plain text or other blocks that seem appropriate for the content you're organizing. Widgets can add dynamic content to your page, such as calendars or countdown timers. You can easily find Notion-compatible widgets online, and they can be a fun way to keep things engaging and visually interesting. Finally, it's time to organize everything for effective project tracking. Decide how you want your information displayed. Do you want your tasks laid out in a list, a timeline, or a Kanban board format? Tailor your dashboard to reflect your project management style. Don't hesitate to move things around until it feels intuitive for you. The beauty of Notion is its flexibility, so be sure to experiment and adjust as needed. Add filters or sorting features to your linked databases to see only the most critical information at a glance. This step is about personalizing your dashboard, so it's not only functional, but also a pleasure to use daily. And there you have it. A simple yet effective project dashboard in Notion, customized to fit your specific needs. I encourage you to explore and continually refine your dashboard as your projects evolve. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy organizing.